What's up guys, and welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to jailbreak iOS 7.0.x, so anything between iOS 7.0 to iOS 7.0.6. So for this video I'm going to be using my iPhone 5s running iOS 7.0.2. As you can see in a minute, there we go, iOS 7.0.2, and I'm going to be jailbreaking this thing because I would like to main it, and I'm going to be jailbreaking this because that's going to allow me to main this thing, which is what my goal is. And yeah, so all you'll pretty much need is a MacBook or iMac or anything below macOS Catalina, I think, macOS Catalina or below. And yeah, I have a 2015 macOS Mojave MacBook Air here, so I'm going to be using that as this example. And yeah, so the first thing you need to do is to set your device to the side, obviously, and go to Safari. I'll open it up in a second. There we go. And go to the legacy archives. So this is found under archives.legacyjailbreak.com. I'll link it in the description. You can find it there. And what you're going to do is to navigate to jailbreaks. Then scroll down until you see Evasion 7. Select macOS. And download patched Evasion 7 Mac and Windows.zip. Just download that. There we go. It's gonna start downloading. This is gonna take a while. Well, not a while, but I'll be back once this has finished. All right, so the download is now finished. As you can see there, patched Evasion 7 Mac and Windows completed. So as we can see here, it's downloaded, so we can go to Finder and we can just unzip this file. So just double tap on it or whatever. I'm going to be closing out of this, and there we go. There's the folder, and now just open that, and there you can see patched with IPG-Link Evasion 7. That should be the app that we're going to be using today. So the next thing you need to do is to open up the app, and if this error comes up, just click on OK, and whilst holding down Control, select the app and click on Open. Now tap on Open or click Open, and the app should open in a second there. We'll just wait for that. So this has took me a while, I don't know why, but there we go. So as you can see, Evasion 7 is an untethered jailbreak for iOS 7.x. So I'll zoom in like that so you can see better. And the next thing you're going to do, or I'll actually unzoom for a second there, you're going to be connecting your USB to Lightning cable to your Mac, and also connect your iPhone or whatever device you're going to be using for this. So I'm going to just connect my iPhone there. And if this exact error is happening also to you, just unplug it so it stops for there, and open up terminal. So now just type sudo killall -stop-c usbd. I'll also link the command into the description, so you can just copy paste it from there. And I'll enter my password, or shit. There we go. And now just reconnect your iPhone. And now, as you can see, it's fixed and beautiful and ready to go. So I'll be locking this, so just give me a moment. There we go. And now what you're gonna do is to go back to Evasion, and I'll set the phone to the side so you can see it. So there we go. And now iPhone 5s iOS 7.0.2 is supported. Click jailbreak to begin. So before I click on jailbreak, I just wanted to mention to you guys that I am not responsible for any data loss or any iPhone or iDevices lost. So if this breaks your iPhone, neither am I or the evaders responsible for that. This is for your own risk. And yeah, what I also recommend you to do before jailbreaking is to save the Mountain 1 or Disk 0 S1 partition of your device, if it's a 64-bit device. If you want a tutorial on that, just go to my channel or check the description. I will be including a video on that. And yeah, so now just click jailbreak, and it should be processing. It's uploading the jailbreak data onto the iPhone, and I'll guide you through the jailbreaking process. I'll speed this up. So there you go. The iPhone is rebooted now. So I'll be unlocking this. So enter your passcode. And now, as the app says, to continue, please unlock your device and tap the new Evasion 7 icon. So leave it like this and tap the Evasion 7 icon like it said there. And awesome, it's rebooting the device now. And as far as I know, it's gonna be done yet, but do not disconnect the iPhone yet. But it should be done now. But yeah, just leave it connected and I'll be spinning up the process again. There we go. And now I'm gonna be taking it again and unlocking it for the last time probably. And there we go. So it's done now. You can safely disconnect your iPhone, but I'll tap on exit first, or click on exit first, should I say. And awesome. So I think it's respringing or rebooting right now. I'm not too sure. I'd still leave the iPhone connected just in case, but if you're in a rush, you can disconnect it. And yeah, so I'm gonna be switching views, or I'm gonna be just staying like this because it may show some screen. Yeah, exactly, reading kernel. That's totally normal, just leave it like that. And we're gonna be waiting for this to finish, basically. There we go. And now we can enter our passcode again and cancel. As you can see, we have the glorious Cydia on our home screen. So the last thing to do basically is just connect your iPhone to Wi-Fi. This is not necessary but recommended. And just open up Cydia. It's going to be preparing the file systems right now. And just give this a moment. Okay, so the phone is now done rebooting, and I'll just unlock it quickly. And yeah, so there's Cydia, and that's it basically. You can select whatever you want. I'll select hacker. And yeah, so that's it for this jailbreak tutorial, guys. I hope you enjoyed it, and well, this is the end of the tutorial. And yeah, for more, just subscribe to my channel and like this video. It would help me out a lot. And yeah, so peace out, guys.